The criminal complaint against a Dallas anesthesiologist describes a pattern of medical emergencies and one death linked to tainted IV bags. Dr. Reynaldo Ortiz Jr. is charged with tampering with a consumer product and intentional drug alteration. Federal agents say video evidence shows him handling IV bags at a Dallas surgical center in the same time frame when patients suffered cardiac emergencies. Fox 4's Lori Brown live in Dallas with the latest. Lori.
Clarice, according to the criminal complaint, 11 patients who came here to the Baylor Scott & White Surgery Center for routine outpatient surgeries ended up having cardiac emergencies, all of them happening between just May and August. According to the federal complaint, 59-year-old Dr. Reynaldo Ortiz Jr. is suspected of injecting nerve-blocking agents and other unlisted drugs into patient IV bags. It happened at the Baylor Scott & White Surgicare Center on Coit Road in North Dallas. The key part of the timeline in the complaint begins in May. Patients began experiencing cardiac emergencies 2 days after Dr. Ortiz was notified of a disciplinary inquiry at that facility where he deviated from the standard of care. Dr. Ortiz, who had a history of disciplinary actions against him, told other doctors the center was trying to crucify him. The complaint says there were 11 incidents between May and August where patients experienced cardiac emergencies during routine outpatient surgeries. An additional case involved a 55-year-old coworker who died after taking home an IV bag of saline from the surgical center to recover from dehydration. An autopsy found she suffered a lethal dose of a nerve-blocking agent called bupivacaine, not listed on the IV bag. The complaint says Dr. Ortiz was seen on camera placing IV bags into a warmer next to the operating room in the time frame of each emergency. Bruce Steckler represents 7 patients who say they suffered emergencies during surgeries at the center.
Had what I would call a routine or day surgery type procedure, cleared as healthy. They were elective procedures, and all of them suffered respiratory distress, cardiac arrest, had to be intubated, had to be ventilated, and rushed to a hospital for supportive care.
The Texas Medical Board suspended his license last week after being notified of the criminal investigation. Baylor Scott & White told us immediately upon determining an IV bag had potentially been compromised, Surgicare North Dallas paused all operations and notified the appropriate local and federal authorities. There is nothing more important than the safety and well-being of those we serve. We actively assisted authorities in their investigation and will continue to do so. We also remain focused on communicating with patients. Steckler questions why the cases did not draw attention sooner.
The fact that this could happen once is shocking. That this could happen 7 times seems inexcusable.
You know, that's the main concern for all of my clients. Having 2, 3, that's a lot of red flags, especially for young people, and then in such a short window of time. But 7 is definitely astounding.
If convicted, Dr. Ortiz could face life in prison. He is set to appear before a federal judge tomorrow at 10 a.m.